What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to create and edit a new Word document on your mobile device. I will use an iPhone in this example. After downloading the Word mobile app and logging in with your Microsoft account, you'll be greeted with either this home screen or the New Document tab in the middle. This will allow you to either continue editing one of your existing documents or create an entirely new one using a blank document or a template. Let's create a new document using one of Word's existing templates. On the New tab, select one of the templates. From here, you can tap on Done to preview the document, or tap on the pencil icon to start writing. Tapping Done again will take you back to the viewing preview. When selecting the three-dot menu icon on the top right, you'll have the option to enable the dark background option if you want to reduce the strain on your eyes. Below, you can also export the document in a text or PDF file type. Alternatively, send a copy in Word document format via email or a messaging app. To make specific edits in the document, use two fingers to pinch and zoom. Head to the section you wish to change and double-tap the text or image. Your keyboard will show up, allowing you to change the text, and you will have some additional editing features at your disposal, such as writing in bold, italic or underline. Scroll to the right to find all of the other editing options that are available to you on the desktop version. Hide your keyboard by tapping the keyboard icon. Lastly, you can use dictation when selecting the microphone icon to quickly speak to text in your Word document. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.